Hi guys, so here is the video I'm gonna make today. So yeah, my new house and new characters. Kids, Elena and Aubrey. Yeah, Mom. Yeah. So I know you guys are twins, Mom. We already know that. Yeah. Well, I was wondering where do you want to go today? I don't know. Well, just whatever. Just get out of our room. Yeah, get out of our room. But okay. Okay, whatever. I'll just go downstairs. Maybe. Hey, let's go. Okay, what do you want to do out here? Do that. I forgot you can't talk late. Maybe we can go see the stars. Choo. Okay. Here. Here. Da. See that cloud? Look at that cloud. Da. I know, it's so good. Oh, it's raining. Okay, well, let's just get inside. Da. I know it. It's fine. It's okay. Here. It's fine. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Oh, I'm scared. She's here. It's afternoon already? Oh, I did not know that. They've still been asleep, so I don't know if my guys wake up. Yeah? What's up? Don't what's up mean. Sorry. Good morning, Mama. Got me. Okay, let's get you guys dressed. Go get dressed. Okay. I just wear probably my dress. That's my dress! Oh. I should probably just wear this. Anyway, my pretty dress. You're weird. I'm not weird. Yes, you are. Whatever. Let's play our crumpets. Yeah, let's play with the crumpets. I get this one, 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 I get this, I get this, I get that, and I get that, I get this. Okay, let's play the crumpets. It's okay. Oh, you want some? Okay, I'll just put this in. Here's the camera in there. Oh God, oh no, oh God, no, come here, let's go. It's okay. Oh my God, he's gonna throw up. Oh my God, stop, don't you dare throw up. I'm so tired for no reason. I just woke up like 8 hours ago. I forgot you don't like that. Oh God, I gotta take off your pacifier. Well, that was weird. Well, let's just dry your mouth off. Okay. Okay, just put your pacifier in there. Just wash that off and then just clean your mouth. Okay, there we go. Jesus. I'm not gonna wait. Oh, good morning. Good morning. I'm just gonna get changed. Oop, wrong one. Okay, maybe this. Yeah, just wear this today. Alright, bye guys. That's the end of this thing. I don't know what to do. But if the background noise is a movie and my parents and my sister. So that's why, if you're wondering. So, yeah. Bye guys, and if you want to know who's my favorite character out of all of them, it would probably be these two and these two. That's it. So bye.